Hey guys, it's Mr. Chu, and here's what you're going to learn today. By the end of this video, you should be able to investigate and formulate proofs involving midsegments in a triangle and a trapezoid. And here is video 2. We're asked to solve for the value of x, then solve for the length of xy. Now something that we are assuming is that this is a trapezoid. Okay, so based off of the learning target, we know that it's either a triangle or trapezoid we'll be working with. For obvious reasons, this is totally not a triangle. It's most definitely more of a trapezoid, and I wonder why. Well, to find the midsegment of a trapezoid, we know that the length of the midsegment, so the midsegment in this case is xy. We know that this segment is the average of the two bases of the trapezoid. So the two bases are going to be those that are parallel to each other. So DC and EB are the two bases of your trapezoid. Now again, it's the average of these two lengths. Now average, when we're talking about average, we're talking about the mean average. So to find that, we're actually taking both bases, adding the values together, dividing by 2. That's what we talk about when we talk about mean average. Now this is supposed to be equal to the length of the midsegment, so it's xy. Now the length of xy is an expression that's given as 4x minus 23. Now here's where we have to do a little bit of algebra. We want to combine terms and we want to solve for the value of x. So what I'm going to first look at is combining terms up top. We've got 3 plus 14. So 3 plus 14, oops, let's go back to blue. 3 plus 14, that gives us 17 up top. We have a denominator of 2. Now, algebraically, we're looking to get x by itself, and we have a denominator right here. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. So let's multiply both sides of the equal sign by 2. Now what happens is that your 2 on the left and the denominator, those simplify out to 1. So we get x plus 17 on the left. And on the right-hand side, we have to be careful, and we have to make sure we're distributing that 2 to each of those terms on the inside of your parentheses. We wind up getting 8x minus 46. Okay, so we're getting really close. Our goal again is to get x by itself. So I'm going to do 2 steps in 1 right now. I'm going to go ahead and add 46 to both sides. And I'm also going to subtract 1x from both sides. Hopefully you're okay with that. If not, I'm sorry. Now, those will simplify out. On the right-hand side, we wind up getting 7x. And on the left-hand side, we get 63. And we're almost done. So bear with me, we're almost done. Our goal again is to get x by itself, so we have one more step to do. We need to undo this multiplication of 7, so these will simplify. And then we wind up getting x to be equal to 9. But we're not done yet. We need to substitute this in to the expression for the midsegment. So we're looking at 4 times 9 minus 23. Now 4 times 9 is 36, all right, minus 23. So the midsegment in this case is going to be a length of 13 units. And that's it.